In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable Adobe Flash Player on the Google Chrome web browser if it's currently disabled. So over the last couple of years, there's been quite a push away from Adobe Flash Player on web browsers, as well as other plugins in general, due to newer web standards and so forth. But in many cases, there's still a need for Flash content. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the Adobe Flash settings on your Google Chrome web browser. Every browser will be a little bit different, but I just want to show you guys how to do it for Google Chrome, and that's probably why you guys are here. So we're going to start by opening up the Google Chrome web browser, just as you normally would. And then you want to go up and open up the menu icon in the top right corner. Just left click on that, and it should open up this menu listing with different options. You want to go and left click on the settings option right near the bottom. So now once you're on the settings screen here, you want to go and you want to scroll down until you get to advanced, and then you would left click on advanced again. Now underneath the privacy and security section, go down to get to content settings, control what information websites can use and what content they can show you. Left click on that. Now on this screen here, you want to go and left click on the flash button. So right now it says ask first, so if you left click on that, we have different options. So it says currently ask first, which is recommended. So if it's currently turned off, it's just going to block sites from running Flash. Just toggle to the on position to ask first. Usually you get a little plugin pop up saying Adobe Flash is blocked, and then you can get permissions to run it at that point. And if you wanted to make any exclusions for specific websites, you just click on this little add button right here. You add the website name and the domain right here, and then that would allow Adobe Flash to run every time you go on that web page. And the same would go for this block option right here. You just would left click on the little add button, and that should be pretty straightforward. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.